Hey guys, Noah Williams Pyrotechnics! Here's the moment you all have been waiting for. I got New Year's Staff Part 2 in 3, 2, 1. Look at that. So I got a cake assortment. I got a special assortment. This is a really good assortment. This is an assortment from Phantom Fireworks in California. So these are California fireworks right here. You can only see this. You would see this mostly in California stands. This is where you would see it the most. But the rest of these are aerials. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut up the assortments. I will get back to you when they're all cut up. Okay, we are back with some of this stuff. There are most California assortments I did not get on this channel because you don't see them a lot in my state. I live in Ohio, so I don't live in California, so I don't see this stuff a lot. But I know in California assortments, they come with there's different trays. There's one tray, possibly 2 trays, 3 trays. So that's usually how it works with California stuff. So now we're going to start with the right tray of the backyard garage. Alright, let's cut it up. This is my first California assortment. Alright. First assortment. First part. First, we got Thunderfest Fountain, Lucky Leprechaun Fountain, Phantom Blast Fountain, Roaring Lion Fountain, Golden Gate Spectacular Fountain. That's a new one. A lot of new stuff. Raft of the Hydra Fountain. This is Mad Hatter Fountain. Oh, this is a common one. Firecracker Fountain. Odyssey 2001 Fountain. This is the biggest one in this part. This little piece. And then Tiguana Tremor Fountain. That's a new one too. Now, second part. And then I'll explain the repeaters. Alright, now, this is the bigger fountain. These are some of the big stuff here. New Age Madness Fountain, that's a big beast. 2 Rocket in the USA Fountains, that's a good one. Gargantua Fountain. Feast of Fire. Plant Mass Fountain. And then Hasta La Vista Baby Fountain. So that's everything in the backyard barrage assortment right here. Now we're going to get to the repeaters. Hydrogen Bomb by Brothers Pyrotechnics. This will be the start of the show right here. A big bad blast, a whistling tail, the red green palm with silver glitter, and whistling tail, the crackling flower, 6 shots at a time. I had this one previously, so you all should know about this one. This is a new one. Christmas in July, 25 shots. Brilliant ruby red and sky blue stars with white glitter, green and orange pearls, lemon yellow dahlia braids, and a silver chrysanthemum finale. You know, a little Christmas there. This is in the 500-gram cake assortment. Pyrotechnic Motherload, 16 shots. This is a good one. This is a 500 gram as well. Red crackling bouquet, blue crackling stars, and the crackling flower barrage. That's a good one. New Yorker Salute Finale. This is a new and improved one. They improved it. Alternate comet tails and comet tails with glitter, followed by falling wings, and then a big willow and palm grace with glitter. 36 colors shot with a large finale, long duration, and a show all by itself. Last one. Untanned Retribution. Golden stars with crackling bouquet, multi-star floral barrage finale. Alright. So, from California fireworks to big 500 gram cakes. Nice show. Let's do an overview. I also got a little light show up there to mark the resuming. So here's the backyard barrage. And here are the repeaters. Well, I will see you guys in another video. And cut! See you in part 3.